Hi everyone, I hope you're all doing wonderful today. I'm the Portfolio Panda. Today we are going to talk about the man, the myth, the legend himself, Warren Buffett and the journey of Berkshire Hathaway. Today, we'll delve into his relationship with Benjamin Graham, his early ventures, and provide a comprehensive breakdown of Berkshire Hathaway from its humble beginnings to its current status as a global conglomerate. Along the way, we'll also share some notable quotes from Warren Buffett himself. Let's get started. Warren Buffett and Benjamin Graham. Let's begin by exploring Warren Buffett's early years and his relationship with Benjamin Graham. Warren Buffett, born on August 30th, 1930 in Omaha, Nebraska, developed an interest in investing at a young age and was greatly influenced by Benjamin Graham, a renowned economist and investor. Buffett once said, "The best investment you can make is in yourself." Gum, Coca-Cola, and principles. At just 6 years old, Buffett discovered his hustling prowess. Buffett's first venture involved selling sticks of gum in his neighborhood. He carried trays of juicy fruit, spearmint, and doublemint and sold packs of 5 for a nickel. When a customer asked for just one stick, young Buffett stuck to his principles. "We don't break up packs of gum. I've got my principles." But Buffett found even better margins selling Coca-Cola door-to-door during summer vacations in Iowa, the paper route, and business expansions. At 13, Buffett turned a seemingly mundane job into a personal challenge. He woke up at 4:30 am to deliver newspapers, constantly finding ways to improve his efficiency. He even sold new magazine subscriptions and calendars to the houses on his route. "I challenged myself to find ways to serve each building faster." By age 15, Buffett had earned $2,000 from his paper route and invested $1,200 in a 40-acre farm, showcasing his early investment acumen, starting companies and seizing opportunities. Buffett's entrepreneurial spirit didn't stop there. Let's explore more of his ventures. Buffett started his own company, Buffett's Used Golf Balls, buying refurbished balls for $3.50 a dozen and selling them for $6. He probably got them the way we first tried to get them, out of water traps, only he was better. He also found creative ways to capitalize on opportunities, like scavenging losing tickets at the horse track. Buffett and his friend collected discarded place and show tickets, which novices believed had no value, and cashed them in for winnings. Stamps, car shining, and pinball machines. Let's uncover more of Buffett's early ventures. Buffett set up Buffett's approval service, selling sets of collectible stamps to out-of-state collectors. He also started Buffett's Showroom Shine, a car shining business operated out of a friend's dad's used car lot. However, the business proved too labor-intensive and was eventually abandoned. Additionally, Buffett set up pinball machines and barber shops, striking a deal with barbers to place machines in their waiting areas in exchange for a share of the profits. He even created a fictional company called Mr. Wilson's Coin-Operated Machine Company to seal the deal. Buffett attended Columbia Business School, where he studied under Graham and learned the principles of value investing. One of Buffett's famous quotes is, "Price is what you pay, value is what you get." Early ventures and Berkshire Hathaway's beginnings. Now, let's explore Warren Buffett's early ventures and the origins of Berkshire Hathaway. In 1956, Buffett started his own investment partnership, Buffett Partnership Limited, with a group of investors. Over the years, he successfully grew the partnership's assets and achieved remarkable returns. Buffett once said, "Risk comes from not knowing what you're doing." Buffett's investment in American Express in the early 1960s, when the company faced a crisis, resulted in substantial profits and further solidified his reputation as a savvy investor. In 1962, Buffett began acquiring shares of a struggling textile manufacturing company called Berkshire Hathaway. Initially, he intended to turn it around, but he eventually shifted his focus to investments in other businesses. Buffett famously said, "I don't look to jump over 7-foot bars. I look around for 1-foot bars that I can step over." Evolution of Berkshire Hathaway. Let's now dive into the evolution of Berkshire Hathaway. In the 1960s and 1970s, Buffett transformed Berkshire Hathaway into a diversified holding company. He acquired significant stakes in companies across various industries, such as insurance, utilities, retail, and manufacturing. Buffett once advised, "It's far better to buy a wonderful company at a fair price than a fair company at a wonderful price." In 1967, Buffett acquired National Indemnity Company, an insurance company. This marked Berkshire Hathaway's entry into the insurance industry, which would become a significant source of its success. Over the years, Buffett displayed his exceptional business acumen by acquiring undervalued companies and allowing them to operate autonomously under the Berkshire Hathaway umbrella. He famously said, "Our favorite holding period is forever." Some notable acquisitions include See's Candies, Geico, and Burlington Northern Santa Fe Corporation. Berkshire Hathaway today. Let's fast forward to the present and take a look at Berkshire Hathaway today. Berkshire Hathaway has grown into a multinational conglomerate with a diverse portfolio of businesses spanning industries like insurance, manufacturing, retail, energy, and transportation. Buffett once said, "Never invest in a business you cannot understand." Berkshire Hathaway owns companies such as Duracell, Dairy Queen, Clayton Homes, Fruit of the Loom, and Precision Castparts Corp. Under Buffett's leadership, The company has generated significant wealth for its shareholders and consistently outperformed the market over the long term. Buffett's timeless advice is only buy something that you'd be perfectly happy to hold if the market shut down for 10 years. Buffett's philanthropy and legacy. Let's not forget about Buffett's philanthropy and his plans for his wealth. Warren Buffett is known for his commitment to philanthropy. In 2006, he pledged to gradually donate the majority of his fortune to charitable causes, primarily through the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation. Buffett once said, "If you're in the luckiest 1% of humanity, you owe it to the rest of humanity to think about the other 99%. In 2010, Buffett and Gates launched the Giving Pledge campaign, urging billionaires to commit to giving away at least half of their wealth. That concludes our journey through the life of Warren Buffett and the story of Berkshire Hathaway. From his early relationship with Benjamin Graham to the evolution of Berkshire Hathaway into a global conglomerate, Buffett's journey is an inspiring example of value investing in long-term success. We'll leave you with one final quote from Buffett: "Price is what you pay, value is what you get." Whether we're talking about socks or stocks, I like buying quality merchandise when it is marked down. As usual, let me know any questions in the comments below and make sure to share this with your least financially savvy friend, then tell me if I did okay in explaining the topic. Your most valuable asset is your time. Thank you for sharing yours with me. Until next time.